Chapter 3: Food and Feeding Habits of Animals. You will learn: why do animals need food? Feeding habits of animals. Food for domestic animals. How do animals eat? Special feeding habits of animals. Why do animals need food? Like all other living things, animals also need food to grow and live. Animals too need energy to move around and search for food. Different animals eat different types of food. Plants can make their own food, but animals cannot. They directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. Animals need food to grow. Like other living things, animals need food to grow. Have you ever noticed animals feeding their babies? Baby animals depend on their mothers for food till they are young. Once they grow up, they become independent and arrange food themselves. Many of us keep the pet and domestic animals. These animals get food given by us. Thus, they are healthy. Animals need food for energy. Animals get energy from food they eat. They need lot of energy. Most of the time, they have to move around in search of food and to get protection from enemies. Feeding habits of animals. Different animals eat different types of food. On the basis of their feeding habits, animals are classified into 3 types. Herbivores. Animals that feed on plants are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Most of the time they feed on grass, leaves, fruits, vegetables, etc. Some of the examples of plant-eating animals are deer, goat, sheep, horse, cow, buffalo, giraffe, zebra, etc. You must have heard that monkeys like to eat bananas and rabbits like to munch carrots. Do you know? Herbivores are very choosy about the plant product they eat. For examples, pandas eat only bamboo plant. Carnivores. Animals that eat flesh of the animals or feed on other small animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Some of the examples of carnivores are tiger, fox, leopard, lion, polar bear, wolf, hyena, etc. They kill small animals to get their food. The animals that kill small animals are called predators, and the small animals are called their prey. Do you know? Carnivores always hunt living animal. Omnivores. Some animals eat both plants and flesh of the animals. For example, crow, bear, squirrels, rats, etc. They are called omnivores. Even human beings also eat both. Omnivorous animals eat different parts of plants, flesh of other animals, and animal products such as fish, meat, eggs, and milk as food. Food for domestic animals. The animals that work for us are called domestic animals. We need to take special care about food for domestic animals. We get milk from some animals. They are called milk-giving animals. Animals such as cow, buffalo, and goat give us milk. Therefore, we should arrange good quality of food so that they can produce more milk. They usually eat fodder and oil seeds. Some animals work for us to carry loads or help us in transportation. For example, ox, horse, buffalo, camel, elephant, etc. These animals need special food to get enough energy to do work. Such animals need energy-giving food, such as oat and fodder. How animals eat. Feeding habit of all animals is different. It depends on the shape of mouth and jaw they have. The mouth parts of animals also differ and are suited to the food they like to eat. Let us know more about it. Animals that gnaw food. To gnaw the food means to bite it constantly. Some animals like rats, rabbits and squirrels have sharp teeth. These animals bite the seeds and fruits repeatedly with the help of such teeth. Animals that swallow their food. Some carnivores swallow the whole animals as food. For example, snakes and frogs. They have strong and broad back teeth and do not have teeth for tearing. They do not bite or chew the food. Animals that tear and chew food. Carnivores such as tigers, cats, foxes, and dogs have very sharp teeth called canines to tear off the flesh. They chew the bones with the help of their back teeth called molars. Animals that chew cud. When a cow or a buffalo grazes on grass, they cut the grass with their front teeth. First, they swallow the grass as it is. Then they bring it back into the mouth and grind with their side teeth. This is known as chewing the cud. Camels, giraffes and sheep also chew the cud. Do you know? The animals that chew the cud are called ruminants. Animals that lap up milk. Some animals, such as dog and cat, drink milk in a special manner. They use their tongue to lap up milk or water. Animals that suck blood or nectar. Some animals, such as leech, mosquito, bedbug, headlouse, etc., suck blood from the body of other animal or humans. The suckers of leech help it to stick to the animal. A butterfly has long sucking tube by which it sucks the nectar of the flower. Special feeding habits of some animals. It is very interesting to note how elephants eat their food. They use their long trunk for eating and drinking. They use their trunk to uproot the grass and break the branches of trees. They can suck up water with the help of their trunk and throw it like a fountain. They also use their trunk for bathing. Let us revise. Animals need food to grow and live. Animals get energy from food they eat. Animals that feed on plants are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh are called omnivores. Animals that give us milk are called milk-giving animals. Feeding habit of all the animals is different.